Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice, delicious tomato onion relish. You can use this relish to go on most of your vegetables. I use it on greens and string beans or green beans. But you can use it for basically any type of dish that needs to add an additional savory to your meals. And I'm going to show you right now. If this is your first time here and you're timid about gardening or would like to learn some DIY projects that you can use out into your garden area, or would even like to see some of the recipes that we take from our vegetables from our backyard garden, then start now by subscribing to our channel and making sure you hit the bell notification so that way you can get notified when we upload our videos weekly. Today I'm going to show you a quick tomato onion relish dish that you can use on your vegetables. We normally use it on our green beans or our collard greens, and we just recently used it on our black eyed peas. I'm going to post a link right there so that way you can watch that video of how to cook vegan style black eyed peas. The ingredients for this is very simple. All you need is some tomatoes, some onions, salt, some kosher salt, some pepper, some Goya seasoning, some balsamic vinegar, which is optional. You will need some sugar to cut down the acidity in the tomatoes, and some olive oil. Now, after watching this video, you'll be able to create this dish for your own type of vegetable use. Comment down below to let me know what type of relish dish that you put on your vegetables. Alright, now that we get the mixtures all together, I hope that was quite easy for you to follow up. Like I said, it's a very simple, easy dish. If you think that was easy, comment down below saying, let's grow together. Now, my wife made this awesome vegan dish. It is has some vegan sausage, some brown rice, and some green beans with some onions in there. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of this and top it off on there. And then see how this tastes. That is good. That is good. Now, hopefully after watching this video, you'll be able to make this for any type of vegetable that you could put it on top of. If you would like to learn more recipes that we do, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that way you can get notified when we're doing weekly videos. Also, if you have someone that is interested in learning some recipes vegan style, make sure you share this video with them, and so that way they can learn how to do a tomato onion relish or any other type of videos that we're going to be doing in the near future. And as always, let's make sure we continue to grow together.